today is really to share information. Those of you that have graduated, gone out, got jobs, are making millions of dollars each year. To tell us how you're doing that, and perhaps to introduce your colleagues to the ways and means of your knowledge as you went out and got jobs.
A humble beginning does not mean a humble ending. More importantly, learn how to lose.
咁你哋咧，其實可以好容易去獲取到你哋想要嗰個行業嘅資訊啦。
我而家最主要做嘅係 research and advocacy， 即係倡議同埋研究嘅工作啦。咁個範疇可能大家好多都會接觸到，
可能同你現在嘅前位前計好迷茫，因為從來冇做過嘅 planning， 跟住我就 start 咗一個年半嘅 gap year， 咁就會揾翻自己出嚟去做啲乜嘢。
嘗試下入 agency 去做咯，因為係我會用你去認識到自己嘅體能同埋身體，去有另外一個境界。